What? Hey, we were just talking about that in the pool the other day, that it would be good for you to have a mask or goggles. Now you can put that on and you can look under the water.
No.
What?
See how it's going to get, it's big on me.
Oh, we'll tighten it up.
See?
You got to put it over your nose. Yeah.
See right here?
I know, we'll tighten this part up.
And then it will go.
Petey, you're curious too?
Hey.
Jealous dog. Hey. Hey.
Uh-oh.
Ooh.
This is where the fall is.
You can put those on your wall. A bot shot. Ooh, cup. Don't worry, we'll fix it.
Yeah, there's something else too. 88 car.
Nice. That's what that goes to?
Yeah,
Oh, stuff for the pool. I didn't get you that.
Yeah, McDonald's.
That's from McDonald's? Hey, what do you tell Mama and Papa?
Thank you.
Oh my goodness gracious, you got lots of stuff in there. All right. All right, we got it. Thank you.